Are you looking for healthy recipe inspiration to kickstart your day and support your weight loss journey? Look no further. Our community has come together to share some delicious and nutritious breakfast ideas that will keep you satisfied and on track. First up, we have a tasty and colorful fruit smoothie bowl. Simply blend your favorite fruits with some Greek yogurt and top it with granola and a drizzle of honey for a refreshing and energizing start to your day. Next, try some overnight oats with chia seeds and fresh berries. Prepare them the night before and wake up to a ready-to-eat, fiber-packed breakfast that will keep you full until lunchtime. For those who prefer a savory option, our community recommends a spinach and feta omelet with whole grain toast. Packed with protein and greens, this meal will keep you satisfied and fuel your weight loss goals. Whether you have a sweet tooth or crave something savory in the morning, these healthy breakfast recipes are sure to inspire you on your weight loss journey. Try them out and let us know your favorites in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipe inspiration and tips to support your wellness goals.